Hello everyone, this is Chetan Dakore from C Vibration Technologies. I am the CEO and founder of this company. This company is based in India. We are having a manufacturing plant at Pune. Vibration is basically a company which deals into material handling systems for various industries. Our products are mainly into conveying, elevating, grading, sorting and all that. So as you can see in my behind, like you can see we are working currently with snacks industry, for the potato chips, distribution system. French fries is one of the things which is right now booming. And what kind of solution we can provide for this is like we have a product where in French fries like and you can have a grading, de-oiling, de-watering shakers, sleevers, removers. In the process side, of course, after the IQF, we have a product which can be like nubbing graders, distribution system, and the line capacity we can cater from right from 1 ton up to 35 tons per hour. Recently, we have been honored with a company, a well-known company in India for 35 tons per hour line. We are also one of the global partners for some companies where they are using distribution systems. Our distribution system, which you can see here, is these are the distribution system where you can see the product getting distributed automatically. It makes easy for the customer, hygiene, no maintenance, no moving part, easy to clean, changeover is very quick. This is one of the USP of our product. Traditionally, they have been using belt conveyors and the bucket elevator, which are very tough to clean. A lot of people require this. This is totally stainless steel, easy to clean, and there is no maintenance part because there is no moving part. So that's what the USP of our product.